How to import your W-2 into H&R Block. Importing your W-2 form into H&R Block's online platform can save you some time and ensure accurate reporting of your wealth on your tax return. With just few steps, you can easily import your W-2 information directly into H&R Block, eliminating the need for manual data entry. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to importing your W-2 into H&R Block for the tax year 2024. Additionally, we'll be discussing how to import other tax informations such as 1099 forms to streamline your tax filing experience. So let's get started. Access the link H&R Block Import Tax Information. Once on the web page, read through the information provided to understand the benefits of importing your tax information into H&R Block's online platform. Look at the section of the web page that discusses the importing W-2 forms specifically. If you haven't already received your W-2 form from your employer, reach out to them for a request to copy. Once you receive your W-2 form, ensure that it includes all the information and relevant things, including your wages, salary, tips, and withheld taxes. Log into your H&R Block online account using your credentials, then navigate to the section of H&R Block online account where you can import your tax information or add tax forms. Follow the prompts provided by your W-2 information into H&R Block. Review the imported information to ensure accuracy and completeness. Once you're satisfied with your importing W-2 information, save your changes and proceed with completing the rest of your tax return. And this was everything you needed to know about importing your W-2 into H&R Block.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.